Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyle ideas. Today we're going to be taking a look at some big chop transformations from long to short. Here we see this beautiful transformation. Her hair is sectioned in ponytails. Looks like the stylist might be doing a pixie haircut for this particular look. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Love the side swept bangs. Beautiful pixie. So then we see someone else with pretty long hair. And the stylist has cut the hair into a beautiful bob. Love these highlights mixed in. They're like a really pretty caramel color. Nice side swept bangs as well. Beautiful wavy texture. If you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see this beautiful bob haircut. Looks like she's getting some bangs mixed in the front. I love her hair color too. She has like a pop of blonde there towards the ends. Wow, so the stylist put some beautiful layers in that, and that seems to really be a trend that we're seeing a lot of as well, the layered bob look. So here we have another bob. So the stylist is adding in some color. It looks like a beautiful ash blonde. And then here we see this pixie haircut transformation. So she already had pretty short hair, but the stylist just kind of trimmed her down into a pixie. And then we have another bob haircut for the next hairstyle. Stylist is mixing in some color. Wow! Beautiful purple bob. Next up, we see someone going from shoulder length hair to a beautiful pixie cut. And then we have another bob haircut transformation. Oh wow, absolutely gorgeous. Love how the ends has kind of like a choppy feel to it. It really gave the bob a unique look. And then we see some more bangs with another bob haircut. The stylist is taking to the hair around jaw length. And then we have another beautiful pixie haircut. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.